Kick back and catch a vibe. We at home with Lisa, Lisa. Kick back, it's a lifestyle. We at home with Lisa, Lisa. Kick back and catch a vibe. We at home with Lisa, Lisa. Kick back, it's a lifestyle. We at home with Lisa.
Hello everyone, welcome to At Home with Lisa, and welcome to the Lisa Lynn Experience. Today you guys, we were invited to participate in an open house at the Stillwaters Ranch. You guys, it was a great turnout and we are so thankful that we were invited to participate. And I want to thank everyone whom came by to check out our booth and our setup. So I just wanted to share with you guys the behind the scenes of setting up for this event. And there won't be a lot of talking. I just want to, like I said, share the things with you guys. We designed a backdrop, as you guys can see. We also had folders set up, and then we had gold trim frames with the prices on there, and then we had the banner with the QR code on there, and then we had thank you little boxes as well too. So you guys just sit back and relax and see what we did to set up at the open house of the Stillwaters Ranch event venue on, what day was it on? On Tuesday. It was on Tuesday evening. So yeah, you guys, just check it out, and if you want to see more of what we have done thus far, you can check out our website, and it is www.thelisalynnexperience.com. And thank you all so much for tuning in. open house on tonight, and it was so exciting and so delightful to be one in the number here. So basically, I just used an ivory spandex pleated tablecloth here. I also wanted to use a sign to resonate. What I styled in the back was a wedding inspiration backdrop, and I just used green florals with white roses and white gardenias as well too. So I also created like a garland look on the side to give it that white and off-white elegant look as well too, and everything was attached to the gold arch that you see here. And I thought it was just perfect for this occasion to try and get some brides on the books. And then also too, we had a lookbook with some of the things that we have done, and we also had a guest information sheet there. And then we had our business cards, and then just a card just for people who were just looking, really wasn't planning anything. And of course, we had our beautiful folders there with all of our information, to include, a client letter along with our different packages for weddings and birthday parties. And also, this banner here is our signature banner, and it also has our QR code on there. You can just scan it and it'll take you directly to the website. But everything turned out beautiful. We got a lot of compliments on our booth, and again, we want to thank the Stillwaters Ranch for inviting us out, along with Cloud9 as well too. And thank you so much, Miss Jennifer. All right, you guys, thank you all for watching. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and we will see y'all in the next video. Bye bye, love bugs. See y'all in the next.